Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to glue in the rear quarter glass on a 2016 Honda Pilot. And this is everything you're going to need to do the job. You need a razor blade, the urethane primer, the urethane, a dauber brush, and a caulking gun. And all of this stuff can be purchased off of Amazon, and I will put a link in the description below on where you can get all of this. The first thing we're going to need to do is to prep the area for the primer, which means we need to remove this old urethane. Now, I cut the window out, so it's just urethane left over, but if the glass broke, then some of the glass will still be stuck to the urethane around the edge here. And we're going to need to cut this off, and if the glass is still on there, make sure you wear leather gloves when you do this, so that way you don't cut yourself. But obviously I cut this out, so I don't need to worry about that. But to cut this out, what you're gonna do is take your razor blade, and I like to just bend it slightly, just put a little bit of a curve in it, and make a slit in the urethane. And then with your other hand, pull up on the urethane while slicing into it with the other hand. And when you pull up on it, it makes it cut real easily. So you just want to go around the whole area and cut off the excess urethane. Now we don't need to have all of it off. As you can see, there's still some left. You just want to get a majority of it off. That way when you lay your new bead of urethane down, it gives you room to work with. So you just want to get as much off as you can. And we're going to want to do the same thing on the piece of glass that I cut out that we're putting back in. We're going to want to take off the extra urethane. If you're putting a new piece of glass in, you can skip this step. It will not have urethane around it. It'll just have the black part of the window, just kind of like this here. Next, you're going to want to take your primer and your dauber brush and shake up your primer really well before you use it. And once it's shaken, you want to take your dauber brush and just dip it in, and then just kind of run it around the outside to get the excess off. And we're just going to prime where the existing urethane was. And I always start in the top corner here, because when you first apply it, it has a tendency to have runs, and I'd rather it run down here than to start down here and have it run onto the panel. So you just want to go around and apply it over top of the old urethane. And then this is the point also, if you have any bare metal from the scratches when you cut the glass out, you want to make sure and go ahead and prime over those also, and that'll keep the bare metal spots from rusting away. Test, test, test. And next thing we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna prime the actual glass that we're putting in. Same thing, just go over the urethane or where the urethane would be. And this primer is a really important step. If you try to skip it and just put urethane over the old urethane, when it dries, you're able to just pull the new urethane right off. It doesn't seal up, and it causes leaks that way. So really important to do this primer. So just make sure you get it covered, and that's it. Next, we're going to need to apply the urethane. Go ahead and take the nozzle off and pop the bottom by pulling the tab. Take this lower plate off. And then just take your nozzle and place it down into where the urethane comes out, and just turn it upside down and just tap it on a bench. And it punctures the foil that's closed off inside there. And then take a razor blade and cut off all of the urethane. And then from here, we're gonna wanna cut a notch. It's like a long groove, about 3/4 of an inch. And you're gonna taper it, so it's kind of cutting like a triangle into the tip of the nozzle. Let's see if I can get this to focus on that. All right, so there you can see. You just want to make a notch so that way when we put the urethane down, it leaves a nice skinny bead that sticks out from the car. So when we push the window on, it smashes the urethane down and it'll seal up nicely. But from here, just go ahead and put it on the urethane. And load it up in the caulking gun. And now we're gonna lay a bead all the way around. Starting, I usually like to start in the front. That way I can keep a solid bead and my joint is on the side and not on top. It just lowers your risk of having a leak. And do your best to keep the urethane sticking straight out from the car. And then when you come back to where you are where you started, you're gonna want to overlap a little bit, and then just bring it together. And that way it seals up nicely. And if it starts to droop, I don't know if you can see right here, it's kind of, you can see right there sticking out pretty good, but right here it's starting to sag a little bit. I'll just take a small screwdriver or something and just kind of pull at it and just kind of bring it back up, sticking more straight out from the car. The stuff's pretty thick and it holds its shape pretty well. So you can kind of play with it and get it to stick out better if it droops down on you. All right, looks pretty good. I think we're ready for the glass. And then just take your piece of glass and line it up with the edges and just push it in. You want to press around the edges to make sure you smash down the urethane. And then it's in there. Now on these pilots, make sure to remember to plug in the plug back here that you had to take off. It's just behind the trim here. And also, it's not always necessary, but it's a good idea to take some masking tape. You don't want to use duct tape or anything. You just want to use something that's not going to leave residue behind, and just tape it down the glass to make sure it doesn't move. But yeah, that's it. The glass should set up in a few hours, but it'll be fully cured within 24 hours. And that's it, guys. Glass is in. Thanks for watching.